everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with y'all my top 5 picks that are all under $5, and I'm also going to be filling y'all in a little bit on why I have been gone for the past couple weeks. So these past couple weeks have been some of the greatest of my life, but also some of the hardest. So first I'm going to tell you about my favorite products, and then I'll get into all the good and bad stuff. So first off, pretty much my whole face, everything's under $5. I think the only thing that wasn't was the setting spray I use, and I think it's $6, and it's this by e.l.f. But my top 5 favorite, my first is this right here. This is the Essence Sun Club Luminous Bronzing Powder, and this is the medium tone. So this is what I have right here. I've got it right around the top of my face. This is what it looks like in the pan. This stuff reminds me a lot of the L'Oreal that I love so much, and it is $4.99, and it's a it's a giant size pan. It is 0.52 ounces. It's super, especially if you're just starting out, this one's really good because it's not super pigmented. Like, you can build it up. I mean, you can see it slightly on my face. It's not a really intense bronzer, but to me it's a beautiful bronzer that you can put all over your face and just give you a pretty summer glow. My second favorite is also by Essence. It is their blush in the color Believing, and that is what it looks like. That is what I'm wearing on my cheeks. This stuff lasts all day long. Like, I put it on the other day at like 8 o'clock in the morning, and it was still on at 8 o'clock at night. Like, I don't know how they do it because this joker is only $2.99, but it's phenomenal. I'm definitely going to be getting several more colors of it. So my third favorite is one of these new palettes. That's what it looks like, by Wet n Wild. And this one is called Camo-flaunt. I used this color right here. I used it all over my crease right there. And then I put a little bit of this color just on the outer portion right there. And then I used this color right here all across my lid. And this color, I love this color. I don't have anything just like it in my collection. And I probably have about 50 palettes maybe. I haven't actually counted every single one of them. But around about that, and I don't have anything that looks just like this, and I love it. So my fourth favorite is a mascara by Essence, and it's this one right here. I love this one. This is the Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara with lengthening fibers. I thought I ordered another one, but instead I got this one. This is the Volume Stylist 18-Hour Curl and Hold Mascara with micro styling waxes. So that is what I have on today. I actually like it really good. The Essence mascaras are all $4.99. I don't know if I like it as much as this one. See, this is like together. This one, the darker purple, is my absolute favorite. This is the one I have on. So, and it actually, it's doing a really good job, I think. I'll let you know in the description down below if this one flakes or anything. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever wore this one, but so far, I really like it. So the next thing I have is this lip gloss right here by Essence. My little girl just opened the door and shut it and said, "Don't go in there." Okay. I don't know what screws are to. Okay, it's fine. We'll get it in a minute. Go. So this is the Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss by Essence. It has a plumping effect, but it's not, to me, it just kind of warms my lip up a little bit. It is not like, if you've ever tried e.l.f.'s plumping, you better be able to, hold on tight, because them jokers is rough. But this one is just like a warm feeling on your lips. It's super comfortable. It's what I have on, and I love it. It's creamy and it does last a little while. I know it looks like it's got like glitter in it, which, I mean, you can see it on my lips, but you can't feel the glitter. Like some of them kind of, you can feel it. This, you can't feel the glitter. And this is only $2.29. And a lot of times you can find it on sale. So the rest of the stuff on my face that I use, I like all of these, but those first 5 are my absolute favorite. I wear them a lot. So I also have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the color Classic Beige on. This is a good medium glowy foundation on me. It's a good everyday foundation. As you can see, you can still kind of see a few of like my freckles and stuff coming through. And it lasts a good while on my skin. It's just not super full coverage. So I also have on the Wet n Wild Mega Last Incognito Concealer in the color Light Medium. And that is what it looks like. I think this is also a medium concealer. And I've been super dark under my eyes lately. And I try to build it up. I wouldn't recommend building it up. If you need a more full coverage concealer, this would not be the one I would recommend, but this is a great medium concealer. It doesn't settle into my lines really bad. It's a really good medium coverage concealer. So I lined my lips with the NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Sandstorm. So these are $4. They're really good. They are a sharper pencil, which I used the last little bit. So this is the color, let it focus. This is the color by itself. It's just a pretty neutral nude brown color. So in my waterline today, I used the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof eyeliner in their brown color. This is a really good eyeliner. It lasts a while. If the title would have sounded better, top 6 under 5, I would have put this in there, but top 5 under 5 just sounded better. So this eyeliner is really good. It's a pretty rich brown color. It lasts a very long time. That's it right there. See, that's the lip liner compared to it. It lasts a long time. It's really creamy, and I love the fact that it is retractable. So the last thing I used was the Essence Super Last Brow Pomade Pencil, and this is also waterproof. It's very waxy. That is the color of it right there. So it's not super creamy. Sometimes you kind of have to work at it, but as you can tell, it stays a really long time in your brows, which is why the waxiness is actually a good thing sometimes. It's not going to budge or anything like that, but this one lasts a really long time, and it's a really great color. I can use it on a lot of different skin tones. And then, of course, I set my face with the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Powder. This is one of my absolute faves, but I'm pretty sure it's like $6 or $8. And then I also used my Reserve Your Cabana in underneath my eyes. That's the only thing I set. I don't always set my whole face, but I always do spray a setting spray on it. So that is all of my makeup that I was going to share with y'all today. So in June, in my last video, I showed y'all the makeup I took to camp. So I went to camp. We had a great time. I ended up actually coming back and started volunteering in the kids ministry at our church because God just laid that on my heart, and I have absolutely loved it. Like, I can't believe I haven't been in there all along. Like, it is just phenomenal. I helped lead the worship in there. Like, it has been great. So I was busy with that, and I've had a couple weddings over the summer, all of which have been out of town. But so I was super busy doing that. But on July 19th, I lost my dad. He had a massive heart attack. It was completely unexpected. So I'm trying to get more steady with this again because I've got to get myself back to my routine and the things I love, and makeup is just something I can do that helps me unwind and helps me think through stuff. Like literally I would just sit in front of my makeup mirror and just put makeup on, even though I was fixing to cry every bit of it off. It would just kind of help me get myself back together, and I don't know what I'm going to do without him. He was one of those people I could call no matter what, and he was always there. He would, no matter what he was doing, he would always come help me out. And I love my dad more than I could ever say, and I wish I had one more day with him. I wish I just knew, but I know I'm not the only person that has lost someone. It's a process. I know that. I've started working out every day again because I'm at the point I'm stuck. Like I'm not sad. I'm not happy. Like my friend put it in good words this morning. I'm to the point I'm just numb. It's like my heart broke so much. I've just got to the numb point. So we're gonna be okay. I'm gonna be okay. So enough with the sad. I've got some Dollar Tree videos coming. I've got, oh, my makeup. And I also renewed my vows on the 15th. So that was great. That video will be coming. So love you guys. Can't wait to see you again. Also, if you hadn't yet subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.